Another great thing with this system, it is a great sound system. If we go into our iTunes, you'll see there at the bottom the red triangle and the 3 red circles. If you click on that, you've got SKODA BT5145. So there's a tick next to it. I'll turn this down because I don't want to get a copyright strike. Turn this up, go to media, and then we've got source here. So click on source, select Bluetooth audio. If it's not already on, it may be. We'll turn that up, and then I'll just give you a quick blast and a message to everybody: stay safe. And that's it. Thanks for watching.